Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review on this Corten Landscape Edging steel. It was gifted to me in exchange for my review. You can see the lawn in my flower bed. It all looks like it's all one. It does come with a set of gloves. That'll be very handy to have. It also comes with some instructions. The Corten steel itself is corrosion resistant and is very strong and sturdy. Now, as you can see, I did get the rust color. The material is metal. It seems very durable and long lasting. The weight on it is a very great weight, and you can either have it peaks into the ground, which it's designed for that, or I thought you could leave it up too, just like that right there. I thought it was kind of cool too, but I switched it around and I put it like it was supposed to be put in there, and it seemed very durable. It was easy to put in. You just used a hammer to make sure that it was really staked into the ground, and super simple. I love the way that this did contrast the yard to my flower bed, and I was able to put the shavings in there and it's going to hold it so well. Now, I did keep my edging straight, but this is very easy to bend and to even wrap around a tree. This edging was very easy to do it myself. I really thought that the quality was great. All in all, this is a great edging and I do suggest it.